Hello everybody and welcome back to Debugged. In this video we will understand put, put and delete. These are HTTP methods used when we want to change data on the server. The image is divided into three cards, one for each method. So the first card, put, means replace everything. Put means replace everything. When you send a put request, you send the entire object to the server. The server removes the old version and replaces it with a new one. That is why the card says missing fields are removed. You use put when you want to fully update a resource. The second card, patch or update partially. Instead of sending the full object, you send only the fields that changed. Everything else stays the same. This is useful when you want to change just one value. For example, only the email address. Patch is more efficient than put for small updates. And the third card, delete, remove data. Delete is very simple. It removes the resource completely. Usually delete has no request body. Once the request succeeds, the data is gone from the server. So, as comparison, put replaces everything. Patch updates only what changes, while delete removes the data completely. Until next time, see you!